Hello students, welcome back. Today we are solving the third question from exercise 1A of integers for standard 7 from Selina. The question is verify. So let us start the solution. So first of all, for verification there are given two sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. We have to see whether these both sides are equal or not. So first of all we shall start solving the left hand side. So the question here is 37 multiplied by into the brackets 8 plus minus 3 again into the brackets. So first of all we shall be solving the brackets. So 37 multiplied by 8 plus minus 3. We shall open the bracket for minus 3. Now 37 multiplied by 8 minus 3 gives me 5 plus 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 37 multiplied by 5 gives me 185. So this is my left hand side. Now we shall come to the right hand side. The right hand side is 37 multiplied by 8 plus 37 multiplied by into the brackets minus 3. Again here we shall be using the distributive property. 37 and 37 we shall remove it common. So 37 we shall take it out of the bracket and we shall put 8 plus and minus 3 into another bracket. So multiplied by 8 plus minus 3. Okay. So 37 multiplied by again 8 plus minus 3 gives me plus minus 3. 37 multiplied by 5. 8 minus 3 gives me 5. So the answer is again 185. Here we can see the left hand side and the right hand side amount is equal. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Next question verification is into the brackets minus 82 plus into the brackets minus 4 plus 19 is equal to minus 82 again into the brackets multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 82 multiplied by 19. So let us see the verification again. Left hand side is equal to minus 82 multiplied by minus 4 plus 19. So we can write minus 82 multiplied by minus 4 plus 19. So minus plus minus and put the sign of greater number. So I can write it as plus 15. So again now we will multiply minus 82 multiplied by plus 15. So minus plus minus 82 multiplied by 15 will give us 1230. Now let us see the right hand side. The question in the right hand side is this: minus 82 multiplied by minus 4 plus minus 82 multiplied by 19. Here again we are going to use the distributive property. We can see minus 82 is common. So I will make a bracket of minus 82 multiplied by the remaining terms minus 4 and 19. So into the brackets minus 4 plus 19. So minus 82 multiplied by again minus 4 plus 19. So minus plus minus and put the sign of greater number. So this is it. Again minus 82 plus 15, it is the same figure which was above. So the answer will be minus 1230. We can clearly see LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence verified. So let us see the third question. 7 minus into the bracket 7 multiplied by 7, this is the left hand side, is equal to 7 multiplied by 7 minus into the bracket 7 minus 7 into 7. So let us again see the left hand side. Left hand side is 7 minus 7 multiplied by 7. So this is my left hand side. We shall solve the bracket first. 7 minus plus. So this becomes plus 7 multiplied by 7. 7 plus 7 both are positive numbers. So 14 multiplied by 7 gives me 98. Now right hand side. 7 multiplied by 7 minus into the bracket minus 7 multiplied by 7. So we shall open the bracket here. 7 multiplied by 7 minus gives me plus 7 multiplied by 7. Again, by using the distributive property, I will take these 7 out of the brackets common. So 7, and these 7 positive numbers will go into the brackets. So multiplied by 7 plus 7 gives me 7 multiplied by 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 multiplied by 14 is again 98. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verified. Okay, so let us see the next question. Minus 15 minus 8 into the brackets multiplied by minus 6. This forms my left hand side. Is equal to minus 15 multiplied by minus 6 minus 8 multiplied by minus 6. So the left hand side is minus 15 minus 8 multiplied by minus 6. So I will solve the bracket first. So minus 15 minus 8 multiplied by minus 6. If we see minus 15 minus 8, so minus plus. So 15 plus 8 gives me 23, and put the sign of greater number, that is minus, multiplied by minus 6. So minus 23 into minus 6 gives me 138, and minus the sign will change to plus when multiplied. So this is the answer for my left hand side. The answer for my right hand side will be, here we can see minus 6 on both the sides. So we will use the distributive property and take it out of the bracket. So minus 6 multiplied by minus 15 and minus 8. We shall solve the bracket. So minus 6 multiplied by, same again we shall be solving over here, minus 15 minus 8 minus 6 multiplied by minus plus, so that is 23, put the sign of greater number. So 6 multiplied by 23 will give me 138, and the sign will be minus plus. So again we can see that left hand side and right hand side is equal. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verified. So this is my answer.